Afternoon, guys. So I've been in Madrid for 2 days now. I came on Tuesday night, but nothing really happened, so I didn't really vlog anything. And yesterday we had a very eventful day, but I completely forgot that I wanted to vlog. So we were starting the vlog on the third day. So it's currently, I believe it's 3 p.m. and it looks like I just woke up because I woke up earlier, but then I went back to sleep because I just didn't feel like starting my day too early today. So, and also the museums are free at a certain time, and if you're traveling on a budget, you have to find those free options. So we're gonna go to the museum. I think it's Prado. We're gonna go like in a few hours. So right now I'm just having a salad. It's a loaded salad with avocado, chicken, onions, boiled egg, and blueberries, and bread. So this is what it looks like. I don't know. This is what it looks like. All right, and I'm about to get ready. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me on my trip to Madrid. And well, oh, also guys, let me show you guys my, so I'm staying with my friend, and his apartment is like super nice. Like, it's so beautiful outside, and it's such a cute neighborhood. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, anyway, let me go get ready. Let me go get ready, and actually I'm gonna eat first and then I'll get ready. Yeah. Okay, so I'm ready. This is what I'm wearing. I'm debating whether or not I want to go with the hat or no hat. I think I'm gonna do hat because my outfit is pretty simple. I'm wearing this like white, oh damn. I'm wearing this white t-shirt, well, white crop top, but I tucked it in because it kept going up and up. So I'm just gonna tuck it in a little bit. And then I'm wearing my flare jeans because these are like my only pair of jeans. And I'm gonna wear these white sneakers. I don't have a mirror to show you guys the whole look, so this is the best I can do. But yeah, I clean up pretty well, right? And also push-up bra is given. Today's are given. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm definitely filming. I am a law-abiding citizen, okay? Law-abiding. What did we just do?
We're on the metro. We're going to the Prado Museum.
It's a I said Padro like a few minutes earlier.
Don't worry. Yes, the Prado Museum is basically the Louvre of Madrid, and we're gonna go for free.
Yes.
There's in a line for us to get in for free.
Okay.
Hopefully it's like, I bet there's a lot of people
over there. Son, can you give us an update? What happened?
With what, the museum?
No, the free entry.
Oh my gosh. So basically it is free every single day, but the condition is you have to pick up your tickets before you come. So we're gonna have to come, pick up our tickets, and then we come back at 6 p.m.
Got it. Thank you. Oh, this is so fun. Good morning, guys. So today is day 2 of our vlog, and we are starting our day with some crepe by Mr. Stone over there. I'll show you guys the crepe. Oh, I'm using the front camera, so we're making crepe. Yeah, and today don't have plans for today yet, so I'm going to start just searching at things we can do, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let me show you my outfit. So this is the outfit I am wearing. I got this dress from the thrift store like years and years ago, and the other day I was wearing it and this girl came up to me. Actually, 2 girls came up to me. They were like, "Oh, where'd you get this dress?" I'm like, the thrift store. Anyway, don't sleep on the thrift store, guys. But this is it, and I'm going to wear these sandals. They're like little platform sandals, and that's that. I inspired to be like rich enough to just walk into some place like this and just like say, "Oh, I want this piece and that piece," and then just like have it delivered. You are having sunburn. Find a better spot for it, but yeah.
Yeah, and I also want to go inside. I haven't been inside before.
Is it free to go in?
I hope so.
Because you know we balling on a budget. We're balling on a budget. Yeah.
I need you to stop. When I say green light, I need you to red light, green light.
Yeah, it's so beautiful outside today. It feels like summer. I think it's too hot for spring, and I'm scared what the summer is going to bring. But yeah, we are on our way to get empanadas for snacks and maybe dinner. And then after that, we're going to the grocery store to get some essentials. And yeah, today is going to be a very relaxing. We need time to recharge because we've been doing like activities. We've been going out pretty much every day. So we're just gonna run some errands, and then after that have dinner and just relax. Last night we went to this club named Capital. It was good, but I would rate it a 5.5 out of 10. Yeah, it was okay. It wasn't really my type of clubs. The music was okay, and it was like way too big. Oops, sorry. We got Stone over there. He got sunburned the other day, so that's why he has his little, yeah. But how would you rate the club last night?
I think it's a really big club, like 7 floors. So I mean, for some people they were loving it. Some people were loving it, and I guess, you know, they had a little karaoke. Guys did a little karaoke.
Yeah, that was fun. I didn't do it, but watching you do it was
you know, when you're a little tipsy and you're just having a fun time, you know. So what I would recommend it to people just to try it, but like I wouldn't recommend it to like actually like if you're like really want to go to a club and like you have like, I don't know. It's more just like a check it off your list kind of I tried this.
Yeah, it was just like, it was an experience.
Yes,
but would I go back?
Exactly.
No, probably not.
Exactly.
Probably
it's more like
not.
You just wanted to try it.
Yeah. This weather is giving beach weather, so I'm gonna go on the balcony just to sunbathe a little bit. And I have my bikini. I brought it with me, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna wear it. So I'm just going to just chill on the balcony for a little bit, and I have to put on my sunscreen, but it is so nice. It's actually really hot. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And after that, I'm gonna go take a nap, get ready, and go to dinner. Yeah, very chill day. I have nothing really else to say. Yep. I got this from Amazon, by the way. If you guys want the link, let me know. And they have like different colors. I like the wrap around bikini. Yeah. So today was our second attempt at getting a free ticket to the Prado Museum, and we went at 11 o'clock. The line was like super short, like I think it was a 2-minute wait, and then got our ticket, and it's for 5 o'clock, so we have to come back at 5 o'clock to get in. But yeah, this is how you save money when you're traveling, right? Yeah, so now we're just waiting for the bus because we're gonna go to the temple, the boat.
Yeah,
boat?
Temple de Devot.
Temple de Boat.
Yes.
Yeah, so now we're just chilling. It's Sunday and there's not a lot of people.
Yeah.
Oh, Easter Sunday too. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's not a lot of people. It's not as crowded and as hot as it was yesterday and the previous days. Yeah. This is it. I don't know if he's allowed to like
cool if this was
be
like
in
filled
there.
up with water.
Yeah, that's true.
Like that would have been so cool. It had like lilies.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel I feel like it's underwhelming.
The temple.
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's go around.
Okay. Finally got into. I feel like if I get caught, they're gonna kick me out. They're probably gonna bust out, right? We're not supposed to take videos. Yeah, he got caught. Oh shit. Okay.
Keep going.
Wait, okay.
Go.
I'm holding my phone.
Let's go. My drink is bomb.com.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh no!
What?
No, my camera. My phone is dying. But I got passion fruit, of course. And what you got?
I got a Long Island iced tea. Long Island.